Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, a Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. This is a classic. It's called Chillax, and it is a two-wall dance. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction, but before I do, if you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. To everyone that always leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, want to give you a shout out. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate you. And all of those who are supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026, y'all guys are totally awesome. We sold out in record time, like in one day, like 14 hours. Thank you guys so very much for your support. And we are looking forward to hosting you next year, 2026. So are you ready? So this is the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in a demo, let's dance together. Watch till the end and I'll post it right here. So are you ready? Let's go. So I would typically teach on the side, but I'm going to teach, because this is two-wall dance, so I'm going to turn around, but I'm going to teach it at this wall, okay? So the dance starts with a slide. 1, 2, back, 3, 4. Okay, so you slide to the right, and then you're coming back on the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to move up. Step on 5, 6, cross 7, and 8. All right, so you step up. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's the first 8 count. So all you're doing is doing 2 slides, one to the right and then sliding back, then stepping up and cross. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is on your left. Then we're going to do a heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, cross 7, step up, cross 7, and cross 8. Step up on 7, cross on 8. That transition step to go into the next step. Okay, so we do a heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, up 7, cross 8. All right, so you're stepping up and you're crossing. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, cross 8. Now I'm going to use my diagonal corners, okay, for the next step. So that's why on 8 I step to this corner here. Now let's go back to the top with the slide, right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, up 3, 4. Back 5, I'm sorry, sliding back. 5, 6, 7, to the right. 1, 2, back 3, 4, up 5, 6, cross 7, 8, heel 1, 2, heel 3, 4, back 5, 6, up 7, cross 8. All right? Now we're going to step up on this right. On this wall here, step, tick, left, right, pivot. You're going to do this wall. Step, tick, right, left, pivot. We'll do it again. Step, tick, left, right, pivot, pivot, and then step to the left and do a half turn with a kickstand. All right, so what did I do? I went 1, 2, and 3, pivot 4. Left leg, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Right leg, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Step to the side. On the left, 5, kickstand, 6, 7, and 8. With a slow turn, half shoulder coming back, and I'm looking back at you. Okay? So I'm going to say that is part 1, 2 parts. All right? Now, let's put it together. So what did we do? We did a slide. 1, 2, back 3, 4. Up, 5, 6, cross 7, 8. With the heel, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6, up 7, cross 8. Doing that cross, we go to this wall. Step right and tick, left, right, and pivot. Step left and tick, right, left, and pivot. Doing it 3 times. Step right and pivot, pivot, and then step to your left. Right comes back and turn back half turn. All right, so that's what we're doing. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So on that last one, when you go here, make it straight. To step to the side, you don't need to pivot to this side. Okay? So you go to your right, you go to your left, you go to your right again. So you step, tick, left, right, straighten it up. Then slide to step to your left, right comes back and do that half turn. Okay? Let's do it again. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, back 3, 4, up 5, 6, cross 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, heel 3, 4, back 5, 6, up 7, cross 8. Step 1, 2, and 3, turn 4. Step 5, 6, and 7, turn 8. It's 1, 2, and 3 to the front. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. So take your time doing that turn. 6, 7, 8. Now I'm looking back at the camera, right? So I'm going to teach at the front wall. Okay, so look at me. So I stepped on that left and I'm turning back. So I'm pretending that I'm at the back wall. And I just did that step to the left with that right kickstand. And I'm here at this wall. Just for the sake of teaching. So you can see my footwork. Okay? So I just made the half turn. When I come back to the back wall, part 2 is with the knee. Double, double, move up. Single, single. Double, double, move up. Single, single. All right? So you're going to stay in place and do a double. Double, double, move up. Single, single. Double, double, single, single. Okay, and the last step is on your left. All right? We're almost there. So it's 1, 2, up 3, 4, 5, 6, up 7, 8. Then you're going to step tick. Step tick on the right, out, in. Okay, so let's add that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So what did I do? When I step tick up on the right, out, in, left, right, left, tap. So I walked, stepped on my left, walked around, full turn, came back to this wall, which is going to be on the back wall. And then I tap here. End of dance. End of dance. Now, let's go to this side wall right here. Okay? So, let's do the whole dance. So let's dance side by side so you always see my footwork. If I do it from this wall here and I turn back, you'll be looking back at the camera. Okay? So, from the top, we slide to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2. Back 3, 4. Up 5. 6, cross 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, and 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, cross 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I'm coming here. Step 5, 6, 7, 8 with the knee. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Now I'm at my wall. 2, heel 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, pivot 4. It's 5, 6, and 7, pivot 8. It's 1, 2, 3 to the front step, 5, 6, 7 with the knee. It's 1, 2, move it up, 3, 4, left 5, 6, move it up, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the dance. Chillax. Chillax. It's smooth, y'all. It's smooth. Check out the demo. Watch the demo. The music is, I think, Eric Roberson. Borrow You. Nice and smooth. This is a classic by Ali James. So check it out. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so, subscribe, please. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.